So originally we were called out here because she had a toilet that would not flush correctly. So what we did is we ended up pulling that toilet and running a sewer machine down the drain to get it unclogged. Once we got it unclogged and clear, I ran a sewer camera down and I saw that on top of the 3-inch combination fitting, they had a break with some roots growing in. I presented the customer with options on how we could go about fixing this so you don't have a clogged toilet again, because that's very annoying. This customer chose to do a lining option, which means we pull a new pipe into the old pipe and seal off that break where the roots are getting in. That's what we're doing here today. We're about to pull that new pipe into the old pipe and create a seal so that way the roots cannot penetrate anymore and she can flush all day long. All right, so what I'm doing now, we just used the gator and we got rid of our root ball. You can kind of see where some was right there. This was an entire ball covering the 4-inch pipe, but we have removed it with our gator tool. So now we have a clear path to run our liner, which is the next step.
There was a root growing right here. So then when we came in, we got a gator and we chewed that up the best that we can. And then we're gonna rinse it out with water. And then we're gonna run our liner, because now that separation is very visible. We will take our liner and we will seal that up like a pipe inside of a pipe. There will be no more obstruction and the toilet will run like it's normal. He's running water now and he's rinsing all that stuff out of there, the roots and everything down towards the city.
We'll go ahead and get this equipment off the roof and we will start preparing our bladder for this 8-foot liner that we're about to install.
The reason for the tent is for the UV lights with the liner that we have, because that's how it works with this machine here. So we have to kind of protect ourselves from the sunlight as much as we can with the UV light.
All right guys, this is the light ray machine and it controls the function of my bladder there. I can add air, take out air, add the lights, do whatever I need to do to my bladder using this machine produced by Light Ray.
Our next stage is we put the plastic on there, we wrap that up with the wrap, get as tight as we can. We get our liner that looks like a cloth. We slide that liner part, which is actually the pipe. We slide that on there and then we have it ready. And then what we do, we blow that up with the air and it inflates, deflates, inflates again. We turn that UV light on and it actually becomes a pipe.
Give us a call if you don't want to tunnel and ruin your foundation for a sewer break under your home. We can definitely come out there and line it for you.